If you're a travel junkie, then you need to see Cuba. Here's a whirlwind tour of this island paradise. Cuba is a kaleidoscope of colors and culture. Picture this, sun-kissed beaches with crystal-clear waters where you can kick back and relax or dive into thrilling water sports. Now, let's stroll through Havana. The capital city is a living museum with its classic cars, colonial architecture, and infectious music spilling from every corner. Don't miss the Malecon, a seaside promenade perfect for a sunset walk. Feeling hungry? Savor the flavors of Cuban cuisine. From mouth-watering ropa vieja to sweet, refreshing mojitos, every bite is a taste of tradition. And for the explorers, venture into the Vinales Valley. It's a lush landscape of tobacco fields, caves, and stunning limestone hills, perfect for hiking or horseback riding. Cuba isn't just a destination, it's an experience. So, what are you waiting for? Pack your bags and get ready to fall in love with this Caribbean gem.